Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Wizz Air account. If you need to withdraw money from your Wizz Air account, then whether it's a refund or a Wizz Air credit, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and go to the official Wizz Air website at wizzair.com. Then log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Profile. Here, select Wizz account to here you will see your Wizz account. Select Wizz account to check your balance and refund options. You will see your refundable balance here. Now look for the balance withdrawal option. Click on to proceed. Choose how you would like to withdraw your funds. Options may include a refund to your original payment method, a bank transfer, or with credit or future bookings. You enter your required payment details carefully. If you are choosing a bank transfer, make sure your IBAN and SWIFT code are correct. Double check everything, then click submit. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Wizz Air typically refunds within a few business days, but bank transfer may take longer. Check your email for updates on the status of your request. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.